जूतों की कीमत देखकर वो घबरा गई।
She panicked at the price of the shoes. She panicked at the price of the shoes.
तालीम महंगी हो सकती है।
Education can be costly. Education can be costly.
मैं फर्क कर सकता हूँ।
I can make a difference. I can make a difference.
लिबास बिल्कुल ठीक लग रहा था।
The dress seemed to fit perfectly. The dress seemed to fit perfectly.
सबने उसे घोरा।
They all stared at him. They all stared at him.
वो अपनी माँ से मदद चाहती है।
She wants help from her mom. She wants help from her mom.
मैंने इसे डब्बे में फेंक दिया।
I threw it in a bin. I threw it in a bin.
उसने अपने कपड़ों से एक कीड़े को झाड़ा।
He brushed away a bug from his clothes. He brushed away a bug from his clothes.
मैं अब भी ज़लज़ले को महसूस कर सकता था।
I could still feel the tremor. I could still feel the tremor.
पार्क बच्चों के लिए खतरनाक हो सकता है।
The park could be risky for children. The park could be risky for children.